Hey everyone, so today this is going to be a very quick and easy video on how to get Alexa apps or Alexa skills onto your Alexa device. Now this is a very easy tutorial to follow. It requires little to no work. This video is more of an informational video, letting you know that your Alexa is capable so much more than what you realize. So what you want to do is you want to type in Alexa skills on Google and click on the first link. Now it'll bring you to the Amazon page, and make sure that your Alexa is hooked up with your Amazon account and that you're signed in on your Amazon account on Amazon, obviously. And then down here, you're going to see a bunch of different apps on which you can enable for your Alexa, and that's pretty much it. You can choose whatever kind of apps you want. You can rate by average customer rating. And some of my favorite skills to use are actually like these apps right here, like Alexa Open Rain apps, or rain sounds like that. So you can turn your Alexa into like a white noise machine or a sound machine. And there's a lot of different skills and stuff that you can download to improve your Alexa life. Another really good app that I downloaded for my Alexa was Burglar Deterrent. And what Burglar Deterrent does is when you are leaving your house but you don't want your house to seem like it's empty, you can access Burglar Deterrent. And what that does is it'll play sounds like dogs barking or other kind of sounds to act like someone is home or someone is in the house. So yeah, this is a really useful skill to have. All these skills are really fun. They're really fun to play with and to add onto your Alexa. And yeah, so get the most use of your Alexa, and I hope you guys have a great day.